Hallo, guten Tag. Today we will do Meine Familie. Meine Familie. My family. Die Großeltern, die Grandparents. Der Großvater or Opa, grandfather. Die Großmutter or Oma, grandmother. Großvater, Großmutter. Der Vater, father. Die Mutter, mother. Der Bruder, brother. Die Schwester, sister. And die Geschwister, sibling. Die Geschwister, siblings. Die Tante, auntie. Der Onkel, uncle. Der Vetter, male cousin. Die Cousine, female cousin. And if you really like this video, kindly like it, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Learn German with Ease.
Created using Powtoon.